Okay, so moving on, as many viewers will know, there is a proposed shakeup in the Canadian telecom space with the merger between Rogers and Shaw. Do you have any thoughts on the proposal?
Well, I think it's great for Shaw owners, of which we are. The company has been held in the vice president's portfolio for a long time now, I think since 2010 or 11. So, as investors who have seen it go sideways for the past 5 years in the mid $20 range, we're quite happy. And it looks good to us from an investment point of view. I think from a regulatory point of view and from a consumer point of view within Canada, though, it's a much more problematic deal. And I wouldn't be surprised if the kind of rumblings that you're starting to see out of politicians turn into something bigger where they either block the deal outright or force divestments or force something or another in order for competition to continue in this country. Because, as you know, the telecom landscape isn't exactly the most competitive landscape in the world. So the combination of the first and fourth largest player into one would definitely make that worse. So we'll see what happens. And I think this is why the spread between the deal at 40.50 and where it's trading now, call it $33, is so wide. I mean, that's a huge spread. And I think the market is telegraphing that this deal, as it stands right now, is unlikely to go through, or it could even just disappear and the government could just say no to it outright.
Sure, yeah, that is a huge spread. Have you taken profit then, or are you still in the position?
No, we haven't taken profit, although it certainly has been a discussion that we are going back and forth on.
Sure, okay. And in terms of the deal closing, what sort of timeline do you think?
I think in the Shaw press release, they said that the deal would close in the first half of 2022. So call it a year from now. So there's plenty of time for Shaw and Rogers to try and ram it through and make it work. But we'll see how it goes. If the federal government does require something, it could be longer. And again, the deal could just fall apart. The government could just say no to it. So we'll just have to see what happens and where things pan out from here.
Yeah, it'll certainly be an interesting one to watch.